I just might win. You know the way to stop me, but you don't have the discipline. How many nights I prayed to this to let my work begin. First, we take Manhattan, then we take Berlin. I don't like this fashion business, mister. I don't like these drugs that keep me thin. I don't like what happened to my sister. First, we take Manhattan, then we take Berlin.
Really like to live beside you, baby. I love your body and your spirit and your soul. When you see them moving through the station, I told you, I was
I thank you for the items that you sent me. The monkey and the plywood violin. I've practiced every night and now I'm ready. First, we take Manhattan,